5 local street food dishes to try in Tehran. The street food culture in Iran is not exactly akin to the full meals you may find in other countries. But there are some exceptionally healthy options that must be sampled. What you try, however, depends on your time of visit, as each season brings with it something new. Here are the best local street dishes and snacks to try in Tehran. The first one is ashirashte, a must-have during the frigid winter months. This healthy and hearty soup features noodles with various herbs and legumes, and is topped with a mixture of garlic and onions fried with dried mint. The make or break of ash is absolutely kashk, a salty fermented whey product that is swirled on top. As you wing your way along mountains Davant in northern Tehran, stop for a satisfying bowl that will be sure to fill you up and replenish your energy. The second one is labu, which hold no allure. But this root vegetable is a beloved winter snack for Iranians. Scattered across Tehran are vendors selling peeled, steaming hot, boiled bits neatly stacked according to size. Choose your bowl size, and the bits will be diced up before your eyes. Find a comfy bench and enjoy these street snacks while they are hot. The third one is bagali. Pick up a bowl of bagali while you are getting some beets. These two are usually sold side by side. The boiled fava beans are topped with vinegar and seasoned with golpar, ground angelica seeds, and require a bit of skill to it. Use your teeth to peel back the black line, squeeze the bottom to pop the soft center out, and discard the thick skin. Iranians can be seen huddled together, sharing a bowl and having a chat. The fourth one is balali. Street corn is an Iranian tradition. Ears of corn are grilled over charcoal and then dunked into the bucket of salty water for a few seconds. The warm water and hot corn cause the water to evaporate quickly, leaving behind salty goodness around the blackened corn. The tasty snack is commonly served in the winter, and especially around parks in the summer. Once you try corn the Iranian way, you won't want it any other way. And finally, the best one and the last one, lavashak. Iranians love fruits in all its many forms, fresh, dried, or leather, especially popular along the hiking trails of northern Tehran. Fruit leather is sold in exotic flavors such as pomegranate, sour cherry, plum, kiwi, barberry, and apricot, and is sold by the meter. Not sure which one you like? Just ask for a sample. A variety of dried plums, apricots, and berries soaked in sweet and sour syrups are also available at these stands. The perfect place for those who have a penchant for sharp flavors. So in this case, if you care about your itinerary for traveling to new destination, try to contact us through the WhatsApp number or direct message. See you in the next video.